Hello guys, welcome back to our new video guys. In today's new working video guys, I will actually go to show you 5 different websites that you can use to start making a clip cash online. So the first of all guys, please head over to YouTube and search for my home, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So let's just move into the video without stress. So the first website I'm gonna show you is that Digistore info guys. If you go to online and search for Digistore 24, as you can see, it will just pop up like that. So for those that doesn't know what Digistore is, a marketplace where you can be able to find product to promote them online, so that whenever someone make a purchase using your link, you will make a commission. So you can go deep and research about it if you want to know more about it. So the second website is that clickbank.com. So I can see Clickbank is almost the same with Digistore 24, but the only difference between Clickbank and Digistore is they have different products and different categories, and I can be able to see Clickbank is banning from other countries like Nigeria and other countries. So but Digistore you can use and create like that. So as you can see, here is the second one. So the third one is that actually JVZoo. So actually I can be able to see is different between all those websites. Here is my dashboard. I just create this new account because I have a new tutorial on that Digistore very soon. I'm about to get started with Excel before next week guys. So the third website is Wara Real Plus. So guys, even this one is the same with all Digistore, Clickbank and JVZoo. So here is the dashboard, but let me log into my account and show you how actually it is. So it's very simple, and you can be able to log in wherever you are in the world. So actually you can see here you can find different product to promote. So the fifth one is that, which is called so if you get a massive value, please head over to YouTube and search for my house. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So the last website that you can be able to work and get paid is Fiverr. A lot of people know what's Fiverr and how to use Fiverr. So as if you are new to here, so Fiverr is a freelancing website where you can be able to publish your gig and start making a claim guys, so that whenever someone hires you, you're gonna get paid by completing the what he is gonna want. So actually there are many gigs like that. You can be able to go to search filter and search whatever you want. Let's say virtual assistance so as you can see, it's actually going to show us the people that we are that are gonna do this keyword, which is virtual assistants. So guys, as you can see, there are a lot of people that will that we can be able to hire and pay us once they complete the tax. So you can come to budget and actually put it at the $5 if you are new, you don't want to waste much money guys. So here is actually how it works. So here is today, or I should say, come us to the end of this video guys. If you get a massive value in this video, please head over to online hosting, give us a subscribe button, and there are a lot of videos that I've been posting since last week. So please go and start be watching them. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.